Good evening, traders. This is Technical Indicator of iHub's Penny Stock Express. You can watch this video in high def. Just expand and select 720p in your YouTube settings. Breaking down SNEY member requested video chart. Had a light volume move from 0.0035 all the way up to 3 cents. Then it pulled back on big volume through here. Had a base at 0.0012 and then it started to trade up again out of an oversold RSI status. You can see that the volume got bullish and traders brought it right up to 0.0046 for nice gains. Since then it's kind of been selling off the MA20. Recently, the last 4 trading sessions, it's had higher lows in the price action, which is a good sign. What I'm watching is the RSI here, okay? Basically, you're just below that 50 line. The last time it crossed the 50 line, it had a huge move, but that was on light volume. Prior to that, you had light volume as well. Across the 50 line right here, you had a nice trend from about 004 all the way up to 0068. So good move right there when we crossed the 50 line. Cross the 50 line to the upside, good move right here, obviously, but light volume. Have a little more people watching the stock now, which adds resistance to the stock. Traded about $50,000 today. I would think that we'd need to see that increase to challenge these resistance levels at 0.0046. And then let's say the two moving averages divided, we'll say 0.007. Okay, we have 0.0075 for the MA50 and the MA200 at 0.0064. So we're going to say 0.007 is going to be the next resistance level if we can get past 0.0055. I don't think this will be too difficult to get past, but I could be wrong. So 0.0046, 0.0055, and then 0.007 are your resistance points. So if the bulls do come in, then there's a nice trading range from there up into these ranges. So you could make some profits if you're a day or swing trader. So keep that on watch. But right now it's going to need volume confirmation. Very simply put, if we get that RSI to bullishly cross across that 50 line and the volume increases, the buyers come back in like they did here or here, then we should see a candle like we saw here. And obviously that means there's room to trade and profit. MACD looks good. The Williams percent R is fine, and I have no concerns with the OBV. So all in all, the biggest indicators that I'm watching right now is the RSI, the volume, and the price action. It's making higher lows, and I would suggest that it needs to continue that to have a chance at this 0.0046 resistance. Again, my name is Technical Indicator. You can find me over at the Penny Stock Express. We've been dropping oversold RSI scans every Sunday for the last 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago we had a 90% winner that confirmed after 4 days, and today we had a 52% winner that confirmed right off the bat. So check us out, check those links out. Hopefully you enjoyed this stock video chart. Drop your member requested video charts in on my board and I'll get to them on a nightly basis. Take it easy, everybody. My disclosure on SNEY. Bear with me here. It's from my scan. And we'll just backspace this. There you are. Again, this was a member requested video chart. Peace.